how to install Messenger on iPhone. Now, if you wish to install the Messenger or the Facebook Messenger application on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple for you to do so. First of all, you want to simply make sure that you have your internet connection ready with you and that you are logged in currently to your account, right? And once you're logged into your account, this is the type of information that you will be able to see. And after that, basically what you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the App Store. Once you launch your respective App Store, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see, where you have to simply tap on the search icon located at the bottom right corner. And once you tap the search icon from the bottom right corner, here you will see the search bar at the very top. Now what you want to do from the search bar is you want to simply go ahead and then type in Messenger. Once you type in Messenger, this is the type of interface you will see, where you will find the Messenger application. And once you launch and find the Messenger app, over here you can simply go ahead and then install it, and then after that you will be able to go ahead and then install Messenger. Now if you see the install button, it might ask you for your Face ID, so you want to double click the power button and then view your Face ID in that case, and after that the Messenger app will be installed on your iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.